So in this video, I just want to show us how to download our videos and how to be able to read our videos. So for us to be able to download our videos, that means we can now get the story all together and show it and able to upload it to platform we want to upload it to. So I use this code. And after using this code, I just drag this code here, right here, and copy download. But we are going to feed this n8n, guys. So the next thing I want to do is to just pin this to this, and you want to copy this download video. Okay, copy it and go here, paste it here, and make sure you pin it. Okay, the reason why I'm pinning it right now is for us to do what? The reason why I'm pinning it right now is for us to be readable. But now if you want to upload your videos, you get your videos already done for you, which you can upload. So this is just a bonus section for you on how to upload it to different platforms. Okay, but I'm going to even give you an advanced notes on how you can do it. Okay, so let us click on execute data and let's just view it. So I'm like 25F. Work in a small coffee shop, and when I first started, this regular customer asked if I had a twin because she thought she saw me in a bookstore the day before, but I had a day off. Without thinking, I said, "Yeah, that's probably my twin, Bella." There was no twin. I just panicked and thought it was a harmless joke. Well, she kept it. 2.5 times we have had our AI agents. I go to these to give us some what we call system prompts, and we are going to edit it. Go to our AI agents. We need these specific outputs, system prompts. Go to expression. Make sure you put everything in expression. This is so everything will be ready available for you guys because I already did that. So I'm just going to I think I have a formatting yesterday. So guys, here is what I really did here. I get my AI agents and also my Mistral Cloud. Okay, the Mistral Cloud account just goes to Mistral. Okay, Mistral AI. Register and get your key from the Mistral AI. So just get their AI, and after you get their AI, search for Mistral under the AI agents. Search for Mistral. Mistral. As you can see, Mistral Cloud Chat Model. Search for it, and after you get there, you want to go to the Mistral Cloud and put your API, and you are going to select the Mistral Large latest. Okay, if you don't see it, text it and put it there. So after I run the AI agent, I was able to generate the title, as you can see, the description, the tag, whatever we want to use for this. So I'm going to click on execute. Now we are going to execute everything now. As you can see, it is updated. It should be updated somewhere here, but I think I missed a part on it. So let's go back. Let's go back. So I think I missed a part on it. I should have used I didn't miss a part. Let me rephrase this. It's supposed to load somewhere here. I don't know why it's not showing. So this is what we have on row 3. As you can see, everything is now done. Everything now is not done. Now, I told you something that's before, that you have to change something, but I don't think it's going to work though, but let us try it. Now, after we have generated everything like this, normally I love to arrange my workflow. So this is going to be just a text to speech. Okay. Just drag it and update it. Okay. So this is be another one. This will be another one, and we update it. What's going on? And we update it. Let me change the color. Okay, and this will be another one. So I'm going to just drag this post video for us to be to run the next one. So you can also use Google Gemini. If you want to go to get the Google Gemini API, just go to ai.google studio.api key, register and get your API key from Google. I'll show you how to generate the videos, and we are going to run it again to see how fast I can actually do this. So the last one now is to generate the code, the video, and also how we can update this. I'm just going to click on here and also click here. So let us network this here. Now, since you have every requirement now what I want to do is to rename this, okay, to rename this, and you see, and name it with this title. I don't know how maybe this title is going to work, okay, maybe title is going to work. So let's just create it. I'm going to open this. So let's see how it's going to work. So the reason why it doesn't work is because of the code, okay? The space inside the thing, that is the reason why it doesn't work out. So let me show you something. So I create a file in which we are going to use to generate the file name, okay? Generate the file name. Well, let me say generate a video name. Generating the video name. So after generating the video name, and that is what we are going to use this for this to be able to get the copyright. Okay, let us pin this one too. Pin this one too. Okay. And then let's get execute. Now we get this. Now we are going to replace this with this. Okay. We are going to replace this with this. This with this file. But hope we are not going to have any issue when it comes to the final URL. And if it does have issue, that means something is happening. And we have to just change it to the default settings like always. So let's go to these updates and drag the final URL here. So now I think it's done. Okay. Now let's click here. So instead of, now we have to copy this one too. Copy this to update this here. Now click on execute steps. So we're now executing all steps. No, the reason why we're having this issue is, let's see. Is here developer. So let's ask ChatGPT the reason for this. So it has space. So it does have space. So let us reduce the space that this has. So if you are to check here, as you can see, it has space and it mustn't have a space. So let's just go for just 5 words, or let me say 6, just 5 words, okay? 5 words or 6 words. So let's go for, this is yes. You don't need to slide anything. Let me check this one and see how it goes, okay? Let's check this one and see how it goes again. So I think we still have the same space. Okay. We still have the same space there. That's the reason why it's not, we won't be able to get this. So let's go back to do some editing. After we do some kind of editing, I'm going to explore some that is, let me see, 4. From 0 to 4. So I finally solved the issue. I combined the MP4 here and also the word there together, and I was able to process it right here. As you can see, we have the URL, we also have the i2.mp4. So after this has been done, we can now go here to read the files, and the next thing is update it. So I'm going to just ping in and then done. As you can see, the reason why we're having this one here is because we haven't add these this to it. We just need only this for we to be able to read this. This is Sushona. Just defining, drag it there, grab it there, click on execute. This should display, but I don't know the reason why it doesn't show it here. So that means we are still having another issue. Okay. What are we doing? So that means we are still having another issue. Okay, we are still having another issue with this. I thought this is what was to be copied. Yeah, I've been done now, and we have achieved whatever we are trying to achieve here. So the next thing is you can take it to YouTube. I might show you, which would be bonus for us, or you can just download it and upload it as I want. But I would love to test this thing out because before I finish the tutorial, so I'm going to pin every content we have pinned here. So we'll pin everything. Let's unpin everything. So unpin. I don't know why it's doing this. Unpin. Select the rest. You want to unpin everything together. Just make sure you select the one that I have unpinned with them. Now we are going to just create a fake story. Give me a 1 minute fake Reddit story. So I can't be going around, so I can just generate a Reddit story now. So I think we are done with this one now. Let's go to our post to open, and make sure you just check random content here, and click on submit. Now let's see to convert. It's going to convert it to speech. If this is offline, that means our server here is not running, which is this one is not running. So let us try again. I'm going to pin this because I don't want to be executing it again. And let us try it again. This is going to generate the speech. Hey, unpin this. So now this is going to combine the cake. As you can see, we have a new row. Let us go to we should see a new row here. We should see a new row here, which is row 4 here. You see a new row here, which is row 4. Okay? If we don't, that means something has happened. Okay? Something has actually happened. So as you can see, something has actually happened. So I'm going to just redo this one and let us do it again. So after generating, we have to upload. After uploading, we have to upload the base, and it has to show here after updating, updating. Now to combine clips. Now let's here, as you can see, it has updated. Let's go back. Now this is a bit tricky. Let's just wait for it and see what. So we are here and the caption has been generated. So let's see this final result first. Okay. As this being updated, let us check, let us reload, check if there's some. So I have an error here, which is download. As you can see, we have an error here. Let's check the error. Do we have any siblings? The FFmpeg, action, of my love, wood string. Okay. Do we need to have what we call the code string? Let us add it. No. I'm just going to pin everything here. Pin. So, let's check the rest out. So this has been uploaded. As you can see, this is the final URL. Let us download the video and see what is going on in the background. And we also have this that is running now. So we finally have our video. Let us play this one first. So this story about 3 months ago, my girlfriend made homemade sushi. They gave me food poisoning so bad, I hallucinated conversation with my toaster. Instead of telling her the truth, I panicked and said it was actually my twin brother who got sick because I had eaten something else. So I think we're done now. And we have already saved, and we are going to use this save file. So we still have an issue here. Okay, we still have an issue here. Let us pin this. After pinning this, we want to copy this. Okay, and replace it here. This is what we call when it comes to when it comes to n8n automation. The problem we'll be having when it comes to n8n automation. So just drop this on here, and we should have the video. Let's click on execute, and boom. So the story about 3 months ago, my girlfriend. So we done. The next thing is, how can you post this thing on your social media? And this is where it gets started. This is where we're going to connect everything. Okay, this is where we're going to connect everything. I want to post it. The social media that have API, and I've tried before, Facebook and YouTube. That is the two places I'm going to show you as bonus for you guys. As bonus for you guys. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. If you are having issue connecting your Google Credential API, let me show you how you can get started. Okay, first thing you want to do, whether you are using Sheets, or you are using Gmail, or you are using n8n YouTube, and you want to connect your Google Credential, here is how you can get started. So I'm going to get started with the Drive. Okay, let's start with Google Drive. So I want to actually, let me see, create a update a file. Let's say update a file. Now you have a service account that you have to use. This is a service account, and here is how you can create a service account. So I'm going to create a new one right now. So here is it. You have to have the direct URL and API here, and they recommend the O2 authentication instead of your service account. And the first thing you have to do is to go to your console.google.com, and you have to create a project. Okay, it is very, very easy to create any project when it comes to this. Very, very easy. And after you get there, so as you can see here, this is my new project. If you want to create a project, okay, maybe it's your first time you are logging into the dashboard, and just go here, or it can just ask you to create a project. So this is my project. I'm going to use it as an example. So let me just pick one of my projects right here, which is n8n Auto, and I'm going to go to AI and admin. And if I can't find that, just go here to navigation menu and select it. Okay, just select it. Then after you are done, you have to go to API and service. So when you get to API and service, there's something you need to do. Like, as you can see, this YouTube reporting API, the data tree API, you have to open it and enable it. The Gmail API, the Google Sheets API, the Drive API, you have to open everything. I'm not talking about everything like this. The Google Cloud API, the Google Doc API, you have to enable everything. I am service credential, you have to enable it. The website indexing, that is, if you want to use some kind of indexing on your account, you still have to enable that stuff, okay? Because if you don't enable those things, as you can see, these are already enabled, and this is enabled. As you can see, it just show you enabled. If I haven't enabled any of this, if you show you enable and just enable it, and after you have enabled it, the next thing is to go to, as you can see, everything is enabled. Next thing is to go here, okay, to the library. To go to the credential to create your own credential. Now let us create a brand new credential. We're going to click on create credential. We are creating an O82 client credential, not a service account. Now you want to select the type, web application. You want to name your bar n8n new or whatever you want to use. Now go back to your O2 redirect and copy the URL. You want to paste the URL inside here. And after that has been done, the creator, click on creating, and it's going to give you this thing. Just copy it, paste it there. Okay, copy it, paste it there, and go here again, copy it. I'm going to delete this one, so paste it there and click on sign in. Make sure that your account you want to use for signing, that is what you should be using. Else, just go here. After you are done, click on save, and that one has been created. And if you have if you have any issue in accessing it, I think you can go to, just make sure you set this consent screen, and there's something else we need to work on. This is the new that we created. Okay, so replace whatever you want to replace here, and go to the audience. So this is the part in where you can add multiple tester, add tester. If you want to use another account, you can add a tester to it. If someone wants to use your API or something like that, you can add a tester to it. And boom, that is it. So thanks for watching, and have a nice day.